Hello everyone, welcome you all in another interesting art and craft video. In today's video, I will show you how to draw objects in simple and easy manner. So here first of all, I'm going to draw a Santa Claus which is holding a big bag. Santa brings gifts for everyone. So let's now color it using red, orange and yellow color, and it is done. Now let's proceed with this drawing. Here I'm going to draw a bird. First of all, you have to draw a box like this. Now draw wings and its face, and now you have to color it using yellow, orange and blue color for its face. Beautiful. Now let's proceed with this drawing. Here I'm going to draw an ant which is wearing a cap and holding a tool. Now let's color it using yellow, orange and red color. It is done. Now let's proceed with this drawing. So here I'm going to draw a cute kitten which is holding a heart. Now let's color it using pink and red color. Beautiful. Now let's proceed with another drawing. So here I'm going to draw a bunny. Let's draw its face. Now its big ears, and now color it using pink color, and for eyes use blue color. Now let's proceed with this drawing. Here I'm going to draw a crocodile. So here I have drawn its body and its legs. Now draw its eyes and nostrils. Now color it using green and orange color, and it is done. See how simple it is? Just you need a pencil or a black marker and a white paper, and then you are good to draw. So here I have drawn another crocodile. Now let's color it using green and yellow color. Beautiful. Now let's proceed with another drawing. Here I'm going to draw a cat which is staring a mouse. Now let's color the cat using orange and pink color, and mouse using a blue color. And this is done. Now let's see what I'm going to draw this time. Here I'm going to draw a hippo, and a bird is sitting on its back. Now let's color this hippo using pink and brown color, and this bird using a yellow color. Beautiful. Now let's proceed with this drawing. Here I'm going to draw a girl who is enjoying swing. Let's draw the swing now. The girl is smiling. Now let's color its hair and face, and she is wearing a beautiful dress. Beautiful.